Welcome to the cbradiomagazine.com instructions on how to do a frequency conversion on the Ranger SS-158EDX export radio. This conversion, once done, should give you full coverage from 24.265 MHz to 29.655 MHz. This conversion, if done by yourself and not by a factory authorized dealer, does void your 2-year warranty. We make no guarantees. You do any of these types of conversions at your own risk, and this is only for informational purposes. Number 1, with the radio facing you, remove the top cover. Should be 5 screws, 2 on each side and 1 in the back. Once you remove the cover, you're going to look at the solder side of the board, and near the upper right front you should see a screw holding the board on. Just to the left of this you'll see a small resistor. This resistor needs to be removed. I recommend using a sharp pair of plier cutters to snip it out rather than trying to solder it or mess with the solder on the board. You can easily clip the resistor out. It'll offer the same result. Once you've removed the resistor, replace the top covers. Flip the radio over, remove the bottom speaker side cover. It'll also have 5 screws, 2 on the side and 1 on the back. Once you've done so, lift the cover up gently. Make sure to remove the 2 wires leading from the speaker to the PC board. For the main board there, you want to make sure that you do that so you don't rip your speaker wires or damage the speaker connection. Once you've placed that aside, you need to locate JP275. You'll find this near the front of the board. It's a small 3-pin socket, and it'll have a jumper on it. The jumper will be sitting on pins 1 and 2. You need to gently slide the jumper off of pins 1 and 2, and then replace it onto pins 2 and 3. You'll be able to find this JP275 near the front of the board. It's just a little bit behind the control knob area connections, where you would find the controls for your channel selections, different bands. It's also just right in front of a stack of 6 mixing cans. Once you've moved the pins over to 2 and 3, next you need to locate J4. J4 is located on the front right part of the main board. You'll be able to see it has 3 wires coming out of it, a black wire, a white wire, and a blue wire. You need to pull this connector up gently out of its socket in J4, and you need to replace it into J2. J2 is located right behind JP275, where you've already done your jumper move, so you can just pull the 3-wire connector out of J4 and place it into the empty socket located at J2. Once you do this, you can power up your radio, and you will have full frequency coverage from 24.265 MHz to 29.655 MHz. Once again, any type of operation you do on your radio is at your own risk. Please make sure that you don't have any power connected to the radio, and use only tools that are static free and won't cause any problems. We make no guarantees and cannot be held responsible. Thank you.